Hello, my friends, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brian Richards. Super excited that you're here. And today I'm going to teach you a trick called the best trick ever. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, wow, Brian, that's a pretty bold name for a trick. The best trick ever. Well, in a moment, you'll understand why it's called the best trick ever. But to do this, we need to switch over to my overhead camera. And for this trick, you're going to need to be able to do a perfect faro. I'm just kidding. No, this trick is all done with math. You don't have to know any special shuffles or anything like that. What you're going to do is you're going to ask a spectator to pick a number between 5 and 15. Now, they're not to tell you what the number is. They're supposed to keep it in their head. So let's just say they picked the number 8. You explain that as you turn around, you want them to count off that many cards and put the packet of cards in their pocket. So if they pick the number 8, they would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then they would put this packet into their pocket. I'm just going to put them aside over here for now. Now you turn around, and of course you have no idea what their number is or how many cards are actually in their pocket. You then explain that you're going to show the cards one at a time, and you want them to remember the card that's at the number that they picked. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and of course this is 8. That's the number ultimately they're going to remember. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now, once you get to the end, you explain, hey, did you see your card at your number? And when they say yeah, you pick up this pile, you put it on top. You then ask for the pile back that they're secretly stashed away in their pocket. You take that packet, you put it on top. And once you've done this, the trick is done. You explain to them, listen, I told you this is called the best trick ever. We're going to spell out that phrase, the best trick ever. And when we get to the end, it will be your card. Are you ready? This is pretty crazy. The best trick ever. T-H-E. That's the best. B-E-S-T. Trick. T-R-I-C-K. Ever. Ready? E-V-E. Check it out. There is their card, the Jack of Clubs. It will be their card each and every time. How crazy is that? Pretty cool, right? Well, if you enjoyed this trick, do hit like. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. There may be another video or two you might want to click on to continue to learn some more fun magic tricks. Between now and then, go and be amazing. And I'm going to go work on my faro shuffle.